Hello, I'm pleased to announce AI, classifying lung cancer using deep learning. Cancer is one of the leading diseases in the world, causing 9.5 million deaths annually. This is partly due to half of the individuals with cancer being diagnosed late. Lung cancer is the third most common cancer worldwide. It has the leading death rate of 25% for all cancers. Only 15% of lung cancer patients are still alive 5 years after diagnosis, given the fact that 70% of the patients are at an advanced stage at the time of their diagnosis. Thus, if half of the individuals that were diagnosed with lung cancer early were regularly getting CT scans, more than 12,000 deaths could have been avoided. Our solution is to create an artificial intelligence system that allows you to upload your CT scan and receive your personal diagnosis done by the deep learning model. The model will act as a first-level diagnosis with the intention to be used hand-in-hand with radiologists. The process of implementation is extremely simple, since we are utilizing a completely cloud-based system with minimal user input. Since the data is fed into a deep learning model, no human viewing is happening, allowing your data to be kept completely private. In order to train and test our system, we must feed it into a sufficient and applicable dataset. Our dataset was retrieved from Kaggle Data Science Bowl 2017, in which it consisted of 1,595 annotated lung CT scans, comprised of cancerous and healthy scans. A brief explanation on how our model works is that the patient scans first undergoes pre-processing, which is comprised of downscaling, chunking, and the application of grayscale. The scan is then run through a convolutional neural network, which has the ability to use filters to categorize important features in an image, which in our case is cancer cells. The model provides an accuracy of 92%, which is higher than the average radiologist of 86%. We can provide a quicker and easier method of regular checkups than the conventional hospital booking process. Since the data will increase after a period of implementation, the model's accuracy will also increase. Lastly, the model is not limited to lung cancer. It can classify any visualizable disease. Our project aims to target Goal 3 of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which is good health and well-being. We do this by alleviating pressure on the medical workers during a time where we need them most. It would decrease the rate of misdiagnosis of cancer by providing a secondary perspective for doctors and radiologists.
Our target market splits into 3 sectors. First one is hospitals, second one is clinics, and the third and final one is medical engineering industries. The AI market is estimated to be a $100 million industry in the Middle East. In 2027, it is expected that 39% of the AI market will integrate into the medical field. It is estimated that there are over 3,000 of total hospitals, clinics, and labs where our model can be implemented in the GCC. Our revenue model is based on renting our model's license to hospitals with a starting price of $3,000 per year, and is expected to increase based on the increase of our model's accuracy. Before we implement our revenue model, we first need to implement a free use period to increase our product's popularity and accuracy. This project is going to promote easier and more convenient method of regular checkups. It also provides a secondary AI point of view for radiologists and doctors. The model will help increase the accuracy of diagnosis and decrease the rating of misdiagnosis. This project already has a fully functioning prototype with an accuracy of 92%, which was acquired over the course of 1 year. As the number of data we acquire through the use of the model increases, the more accuracy it will have. Provided with the right dataset, our model can be used to detect any kind of visualizable diseases, such as COVID-19, implementing a feedback feature to alert doctors about areas of concern in a patient's data, implementing a feature that differentiates between normal, benign, and malignant cancer cells, and finally, augmenting our database. Team and resources. Our team acquired some technical skills such as multi-language coding, artificial intelligence programming, experience in CNN models while working on this project. And I, Badr Said, shine in data analysis, effective communication, and marketing, while my colleague Ahmed Fahim shines in database management, technical writing, and project management. Thank you so much for listening.